Welcome to your Tampa Electric bill. We've designed your statement to offer clear information about the energy you use in a format that's easy to understand. Through this tutorial, you'll learn the basics of your bill. Let's look at the first page. Here's your account number. You might want to make note of it because you'll need it to access your online account or when you're calling us about your account. The section in blue offers a glance at how much you owe and your due date. Past due amounts will display in red and are due immediately. Here's your high-level account summary to help you quickly view a breakdown of your charges. It shows your previous amount due, any payments received since the last bill, and your current charges and due date. Any amount past due is displayed in red. We've designed this box and the banner below it to highlight important information and to let you know about programs or services you might be interested in. We'll feature different messages here each month. Here's the payment stub. If you mail us your payment, you'll need to include this with your check or money order. Never send cash in the mail. Like the blue box at the top of your bill, your current charges and any past due balance are shown here along with the due date and your account number. The due date displayed is for your current month's charges. Page 2 of your bill will not change from month to month. Here, we provide all the ways to contact us and some important terms you might see in your billing details. The back of the stub lists the convenient payment options we offer, like our free Pay Now from Your Bank Account program, where you can make a one-time secure payment from a checking or savings account, or schedule recurring payments. You may also pay by credit or debit card using Kubra Easy Pay. If you're looking for details, page 3 has them. This is where you'll find the breakdown of your usage, charges, and any programs in which you are enrolled. The time frame is based on your meter reading cycle and usually runs about 30 days. We'll show you the time frame, the service address, and the details for the meter at this address. If you have multiple meters, the billing details are listed separately. Here we display your usage details and the associated charges. Right next to this section is a handy graph showing you average daily usage history for the past 13 months. It will help you monitor your energy use from month to month. By the way, you might want to check out the energy savings programs we offer at tampaelectric.com/save. If you are enrolled in any of our programs or services, or have any other fees and charges, that information will be displayed following your usage details. We add up each section and show your total current month's charges at the end in bold and blue. Wonder when your payment is due? Check out the front of your bill for your current month's due date. Remember, the front of your bill also displays the total amount due, including any past due balance you might owe, which is due immediately. Following your billing details are any important messages about your account. The last part of your bill features messages about our programs, services, or other important information you need to know. If you have any other questions about your bill, visit us online from your computer or mobile device, or contact customer care during business hours at 888-223-0800. Thanks for tuning in.